Hello and welcome to MTDCNC India. Today we are here at NG Mac in Gujarat and I am standing in front of Porwal Auto Components stall with Mr. Jain, who is the MD of the company. Thank you, sir. Thank you for inviting us.
Thank you.
So can you please tell our audience about your company?
Yes. I am Devendra Jain. Our company is Porwal Auto Components Limited. It is situated at Pritapur near Indore. And this company was incorporated in 1992 and the production started in 1995.
Wow.
We are a foundry with a capacity of 21,600 metric tons per year, and we have a dedicated machine shop with almost more than 50 CNC machines for machining of the components.
Fantastic. So your journey started in 1990s and you have come long way, sir. So in what kind of industries you are and what kind of products you are manufacturing?
Sir, we started this industry as a ancillary to Eicher Motors Limited.
Okay.
So we started with truck parts for Eicher Motors until 2008. We were having only one customer, that was Eicher Motors. From 2008, I started expanding and adding new customers. Today we have truck parts, we have railway parts, we have defense parts, we have agriculture parts and engineering, walls and all that. So we have diversified in different fields, and today we have almost around 22 customers.
That's quite a fascinating journey, sir.
It's really, it has been a very fascinating and very interesting journey.
You are inspiring a lot of new entrepreneurs also.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you have been working with the UCAM for such a long time. So how has been your experience working with them?
See, we first machine that we bought from UCAM was in 2007, and today we have 10 systems working in our machine shop. We are very happy with their performance, and their after-sales support is really good, and we are happy with the company.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your feedback, and I hope you will also recommend their products to other companies as well.
Yeah, we will surely do that.
Great. Thank you, sir. It was
Thank you.
fantastic talking to you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.